Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC, and in this video I will show you on how to lock your keyboard in your Windows PC, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. This video will walk you through step by step on how to quickly lock your keyboard. For that, what you want to do here is to go ahead and make sure you look for this particular right side shift key icon right here. Go ahead and press it and hold down for about 8 seconds. So just make sure you press and hold down for about 8 seconds, and this is going to pump up on your screen right here. So what you need to do right here, this particular uh, information here is going to pump up on your screen. Do you want to turn on filter kill? Filter kill lets you ignore brief or repeated keystroke and slow down the keyboard repeat rate. The keyboard shortcut to turn on filter key is hold on down this right shift key for 8 seconds. What you need to do right here is to go ahead and then click on yes. Once you click on yes, the keyboard is going to lock without any stress. So if you want to unlock it back, do the same thing. Press and hold down shift key for about 8 seconds. After that, release your hand. Then this is going to pump up again. Then allow it to enable it back. Just click on no right there. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Windows PC like this, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.